Journey to the Place of Birds.
Run, baby, run. Run, baby, run.
Play the bird, y'all!
Run, baby, run. Run, baby, run.
Special seeds down!
Run, baby, run. Run, baby, run.
Shake your tail feather!
Run, baby, run. Run, baby, run.
Hey, Gullible!
Run, baby, run. Run, baby, run.
It's feeding time!
Run, baby, run.
This children's book is about choosing a goal and achieving it. The child, Natu, had heard of the Place of Birds for many years. He set his goal to go to the Place of Birds, and in the end, by achieving his goal, he felt a sense of accomplishment and triumph.
Run, baby, run. Run, baby, run.
Place of Birds.
At school.
Little green birds. Very little is known of these birds, even less is needed to be known. Head bird, self-explanatory.
I wonder if she's going to be eating that apple.
Minnow plucker, a foul creature, summed up in one word, disgusting.
Where's my pencil?
Place of birds.
At church.
Give me an amen, brothers and sisters. Blah, blah. We need help on Tuesday night pierogies. See Brother Stanley Prune for details. Blah. Bingo Friday.
Yes.
Don't forget to buy your raffle ticket for the Place of Birds. It's a 45-day pass.
I gotta come here more often.
Good luck.
At home.
Blah, blah, blah. So you don't forget, leave before midnight tonight. Blah, blah, blah. Your absolute satisfaction is guaranteed or double your money back. Children with dogs enjoy a 1/2 price entry fee.
Natu had heard of the tales of the Place of Birds for many years. Fascinated, the need to go becomes strong.
Children with blue dogs enter absolutely free. Blah, blah, blah. And all kinds of stuff like that there.
Ooh, you hear that, Spot?
At the store.
I'll have 2 of these and 2 of those.
What about some bluebirds?
Ah, Frau Mutitu, welcome. Would you like some tongue today? I will give you a very good price.
Why do you always try to slip me the tongue?
We sell lots of tongue to the Place of Birds. I think they use it for tongue on a stick.
I'll make some cookies.
Let's see, I probably won't need this.
Meanwhile, back at home.
Ah, there's the frog. I've been looking for him. Hi, Hoppy.
Natu prepares for his journey.
Here's Spot. What's this bone? Up, boy. Sit. This one. This bone. How about this bone? Want this one? This one? This, maybe. This, maybe. Maybe I can play this. But I definitely need this.
Natu tells no one. He collects his things for himself and Spot's wagon, and nervously, excited, takes his rest.
Place of birds.
He takes his leave at first light. Not a soul saw the start of the long, hard quest that day.
Come on, wait, slow down. Hey, come back. Heel.
All was well at the start of the trip. Time passed rapidly. Life was good. That soon was the end.
Hey, where's the Place of Birds? Hey, come back!
There were many hardships and tests. Nothing would stop Natu from achieving his goal. Decisions.
Your Tat. What do you say, Spot? Flip a coin? Okay, this way. Let's go.
Lunch.
Uh-oh, Mom's gonna be mad this time. I ate another bug.
Tests.
2 plus 2 is 3. 22. 5? No, not 4.
Gum.
Oh no, not again. And this one's sugarless. Spot, what do I do now? Good boy. Wait, where are you going? Wait for me.
Even a night at Breakneck Pass would not put him off his course, although scary thoughts filled his mind.
Oh, what was that, Spot?
The next morning, a shepherd with his flock of furry field hippos tells the boy it will not be long.
Well, where is it?
Feel the vibe of the place of birds. It is always closer than you think. Beyond the hill is the object of your quest. Go forth to fulfill your dreams.
Oh, my balloon.
Over here, kid.
Ah, the place of birds.
Hey, kid, no cutting in my line.
Sure is hot here.
Hey, you, next to the kid. No melding. You're making a puddle. Hey, what's that smell? Smells like barbecued chicken. Hey, kid, what are you trying to do? No stopping or standing. It's hot out there. People want to get in. Move on. Move on. These kids, I don't understand. Their parents let them do what they want to do. I don't understand. I really don't understand.
At last, the place of birds, and only a short wait.
Oh boy, not too bad, Spot.
Woo-wee. Sure glad I ain't in back of that line. I remember when I was back there. That was a long time ago.
I've been waiting long.
Buzz will get you there.
Come to see the birds? Shouldn't you be inside or something?
The line was long and full of fun, hope, and joy. Some people misunderstood.
Wow, look at that.
I'm flying! Ah!
Big deal.
Hi, did you know 2 plus 2 is 4?
Once inside, he sees the object of his quest, many strange and interesting birds. He saw everything, and then some.
What? Oh! Ah, good luck.
Left, right, left, left. Up. Stay in line. It's feeding time.
Look, Spot. Wow, look at that. I'm actually here. Whoa, awesome. Wow, they're not moving very much, are they? They must be very content here. Whoa, what was that? Oh, it's Bob's East Australian Bluebird. It nests on heating and air conditioning units. Calm down, Spot. Heel. Notice the beak. It has evolved into a prion-sucking tube. These are known as minnow pluckers. And, something or other. Watch it, Spot. These are lots of birds. And lots of eggs, too. Whoa. Oh. And these would be large bird, not to be confused with big bird. Cathode ray tube emissions help in the incubation of the eggs. It has been proven that reruns of Happy Days produce nervous shifts. Wow, look at them all down there. Look, and all these are little green birds. Very little is known of these birds, even less is needed to be known. And these are the northern wrench-necked can snatchers. Stays thin because of its inability to open the cans. Wrench in the neck comes after the second molting. Stop, Spot. Don't eat that. That's theirs. And that's a goose-stepping teddy over there, recognized by his stiff-legged march and classic Roosevelt profile. Ooh, and that's a 5,000-tooth senator. I wonder where the hot tub is.
Okay, Sonny. You gotta go home. Your pass is expired.
What? No, it's not. What? I'm not done yet. Wait, but... I'm staying right here.
Natu's 45-day pass was used up. Time to go. Thoughts of the long trip home filled his mind.
Run, baby, run, boom, 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 run, baby, run.
Uh-oh, Mom's gonna be mad this time.
After a short walk home, he told no stories, only that he had made it to the place of birds.
I have done things people only dream of, forgotten things some will never know, and been places many only read about. My trip was worth it. My goal was reached. Ah, my balloon. Thank you. I thought I lost that.
Welcome home, Pumpkin. Want some chocolate-covered oatmeal tongue cookies to go with your yummy mini furry field hippo milk?
Oh, I knew it. I knew she wouldn't get the blue worst.
Did you see all the ginormous birds in the East Wing?
What? What? East Wing? There's an East Wing? Oh, I gotta go back. I gotta go back there. Tomorrow, maybe. I wanna go.
I don't think so, sweetheart. You've got school tomorrow. How about December 21st? It's National Humbug Day, and you're off from school then. You done now? Watching my tutorial debut.
One, two, only not go. When you're in the studio, you go 1, 2. Oh, okay. We're in the studio. You go one on over there. One, Eric. He's eating.
No chewing.
Wait, are you tired? Be like the top E or bottom B or the. You want to go higher or lower?
I'll just hold maybe low.
Okay. 1, 2.
Place the
birds. You own a studio.
Let's
you never
go.
did that?
Let's go.